Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to put a Dodge Charger into neutral, especially in emergency situations. This specific method is crucial if your vehicle has a dead battery or needs to be towed, as the electronic shifter won't function. Before you begin, always ensure your parking brake is firmly engaged. This is a critical safety step, as the car will be free to roll once the transmission is in neutral. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's find the emergency release mechanism. Look closely at your center console, specifically the area right next to your gear shifter. You'll find a small storage compartment or a coin holder there. Gently pry up or remove the rubber mat or plastic cover that conceals this spot. Once removed, you should clearly see a bright red strap or a small red tab. This is your key to manually shifting the transmission. Once you have located the red strap or tab, it's time to engage neutral. If you have a strap, pull it firmly upwards until you feel it click and lock into position. For models with a red tab, simply press and hold it down. You should feel the transmission disengage from park and move into neutral. Remember, the car can now roll, so maintain control and ensure the area is clear before proceeding. Congratulations, your Dodge Charger is now in neutral. You can safely push the vehicle or prepare it for towing. When you are ready to return the car to park, simply push the red strap or tab back down until it clicks and locks into its original position. This will re-engage the park mechanism. Once done, replace the plastic cover or rubber mat, ensuring everything is secure. This emergency procedure is a valuable tool for unexpected situations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.